calculate the square of 0.3. Now we want to find the square of 0.3. Solution. That is 0.3 square. The first thing to do is to convert 0.3 to a fraction. Now, how do we convert 0.3 to a fraction? After decimal point, how many numbers do we have after decimal point? Just one number. It means that since we are having one number after decimal point, it indicates 1 0 after 1. Now, for the numerator, we have something like this, square. This is numerator and this is denominator. For the numerator, we are going to have the number after the decimal point. That is the significant number, the number that are greater than 0. We write the first, that's the first we are going to write at numerator, which is 3. Then our denominators. For the denominator is going to be powers of 10. And what do I mean? I'll write 1. Now, after decimal point, look at what we have here. We just have one number. So that's 1 0. So it means that 3 divided by 10 is same thing as what? 0.3. Then, the 2 we have fed both numerator and denominator. So in that case, we take the square of this. Then, we also take the square of this. Now, what do we have? 3 square. That is 3 times 3, 9. What's it 10 square? That is 10 times 10. That is what? 100. Then now, we now write the answer back to the decimal fractional form. How do we do that? Now look at, in this case, after 1 at denominator, we have how many zeros? 2 zeros. It means we are going to have 2 zeros before 9. And how do we do that? The first one is 0 point. Then we have another 0. 2 0 before the number at the numerators. So we have 0.012. Then we write this number, which is 9. So the answer is 0.09. That is the solution to the problem.